Alright guys, in today's tutorial we are going to be unboxing the iostation from Presonus. These are the same makers of Studio One, my favorite DAW for vocals. This device is a two-in-one. It's an interface with a controller, or more popularly known as the fader port. A lot of customers requested that the iostation come with a interface, so Presonus, being the good people they are, they combined it and they created the iostation. It was presented at NAMM 2020. As you can see, the box design is really cute, and if you look a little to your right, you would see I was using the audio box before. Yeah, really nice device. On the back they show you some of the features. It includes the xamp, the xmax preamp from their more high-end devices, and you do notice a big difference in terms of sound quality as compared to the lower end devices like the audio box USB. Much more quieter preamps. And I do want you to note when I say quieter preamps, because the preamps on the audio box it's a bit noisy, but you can take it out with probably something like isotope and whatever. Now to the top of the box we're seeing the manual, which I never read so I can't actually tell you what's in that. And we do have the legs, which we will come back to later on. Right now we are looking at the USB to USB 2.0, USB, that's USB-C to USB 2.0 for older computers, and then for more modern computers we recommend using the USB-C to USB-C, which is a slightly faster connection. This is the power supply, and what I really like is what Presonus did with it. They didn't just give you a power supply, they gave you connections for if you're traveling around the world. Obviously you would carry your device, so they did create connections for that. This here is the power brick. I felt the wiring was a little thin though, but if you take care of it you shouldn't really have any issues. And here we have it guys, the moment we have been waiting for, the iostation. Now the top of it is metal and the lower base of it is plastic.